Hey everyone, it's Barry here from Barry Will Fix. Welcome back to the channel where we fix your tech problems and level up your online game. Today, we're diving into something super practical for anyone running multiple accounts, managing ads, or just staying safe online. How to set up a proxy and warm up a browser profile in adspower for running multiple Etsy stores. This is basic stuff, but getting it right can save you from headaches, bans, and wasted time. If you're new here, adspower is an anti-detect browser that lets you create isolated profiles with unique fingerprints, perfect for multi-accounting without getting flagged. We'll walk through creating a profile, adding a proxy, and warming it up so it looks natural to websites. Grab your notes and let's get into it. First things first, make sure you have adspower installed and you're logged in. To do this, go to adspower.com/download. Set up a profile and log into it. Then download adspower for your particular operating system. Once you're in the adspower dashboard, click the big new profile button in the upper left corner. This opens the profile setup page. Give your profile a clear name, something like Store A1 or Etsy1. Choose your browser kernel. I recommend Sun Browser since it's based on Chrome and works great with most sites. Specifically, it can allow you to install most of the add-ons that Chrome has. Let it auto-select the latest version. Choose an operating system that matches what you're actually using. Leave user agent as it is. For organization, assign it to a group and leave the tags. You don't need to add cookies or remarks, but you can add any remarks for yourself. Now scroll down to the proxy section. Click Custom. Choose your proxy type, usually HTTP or SOCKS 5. For this example, I am using SOCKS 5. Enter your proxy details, host, port, username, and password. To get these, I recommend using ipfoxy, link below. Paste in the host and the port, then the username and the password that your proxy provider supplies. Now you can click the handy Check Proxy button. If it turns green and says Connection Test Passed, you're good. If not, double-check your credentials and make sure the proxy is active. For best results, set your profile's time zone and language based on IP so they match the proxy location. Once everything looks good, hit OK to create the profile. Your profile is now created with proxy. Now the crucial part, warming it up. New profiles have zero history, which can look suspicious. Warming builds realistic browsing history and behavior. You can use the cookie robot to do this, but I prefer manually getting a list of popular websites in the target country from ChatGPT. Add in the Chrome extension bulk URL opener. To do this, open the browser by clicking OK, then clicking Open. On the first run, this will download the latest version of Sun Browser first. Once it's open, go to the 3 dots in the top right-hand corner. Scroll to Extensions and then click Sun Browser Web Store. Click it, a new tab will open. On the first run, Google will ask for cookies. Accept them. This is part of warming. In the search bar, type bulk URL opener. Click the one with the black and white logo, then click Add to Chrome, then click Add Extension. Once it's added, click the jigsaw piece in the top right, then bulk URL opener. Paste in your list of websites you got from ChatGPT and then click Open Links. Your computer may slow down a bit if you've added in a lot. I usually go with 50 to 100, but we will do less for this video. Now all you have to do is go through each one and click around a bit till you get a cookie prompt. Accept the cookies, click again, then go to the next tab and repeat. This will take some time, but will be worth it. Once you're through them all, you can consider your profile warmed. After warming, test by visiting Etsy.com. If you get an error message, then warm some more. If you see the Etsy homepage, then your profile now has history and looks like a real user. This setup keeps your activities isolated and undetected. Always use quality proxies and never mix personal use with these profiles. This method tells Etsy that you're on a totally separate computer in a different location and goes a long way to avoiding bans. That's the basic workflow for setting up a proxy and warming a profile in adspower. If this helped you, smash that like button, subscribe to Barry Will Fix for more fixes and tutorials, and hit the bell so you never miss an upload. Let me know in the comments what you want to see next. Thanks for watching, stay safe online, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!